Hello guys, ito yung tinapay natin guys. Ay, itong cinnamon guys. Ito yung cinnamon natin. Yun ang cinnamon natin guys. Spanish bread. La ensaymada. Yun guys. Ayun guys. Yun. Yung ensaymada guys. Cinnamon. Cinnamon yan. Guys. Oh. Nice. Nice. Yun ang cinnamon at ensaymada. Thank you guys. I order.